Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I will be reviewing the Godrej RD Edge series of refrigerators for you. The one right next to me is a 182-litre capacity and there's another variant that comes in a 196-litre capacity. The range has other models and colour options available too. This refrigerator is a smart piece of modern technology. It comes with a massive 20-litre jumbo vegetable tray. That means you can stock up on all your fruits and vegetables for more than a week's consumption. This is the largest basket in the segment as compared to all other brands. Now, in terms of space, this fridge is truly a blessing. It has a deep bottom chiller tray that can easily hold up to 5 to 6 1-litre bottles in the case of 196-litre RD Edge refrigerator. So now you can say goodbye to all your storage worries. The designing of this fridge is extremely smart. There's a toughened glass shelf in the case of the 196-litre variant that can hold up to 150 kgs of weight. The bottom shelf of this fridge is large enough to store bottles as big as 2.5 litres. A unique feature of the 196-litre variant is called Aroma Lock. This is one of the few features that you would not find in almost any other refrigerator in this category. The Aroma Lock prevents food odors from mixing with one another. This is done with the help of a carbon palladium deodorizer. This keeps your food fresh and odor-free. This refrigerator also keeps your food free from germs. The antibacterial technology ensures that there are no microorganisms to spoil your food. The fridge is also secured from naughty kids with the help of a metal lock right on top. Although this fridge is quite sturdy, Godrej has still got you covered for any future crack-ups. The 196-litre of the same variant comes with a 10-year warranty, while the 182 litres comes with a 5-year warranty on the compressor. This fridge is rated 2 on the Power Savings Index by BEE, while the 196 variant comes with a 3-star rating. It saves power and doesn't leave a pale patch on the environment because it's 100% green and environment friendly. So viewers, my final thoughts on the Godrej refrigerator are truly positive. It's ergonomically designed with features like jumbo vegetable tray, deep bottom chiller tray, aroma lock and antibacterial technology. It's durable, sleek and secured with features like toughened glass shelves, metal door lock and a 10-year compressor warranty for the 196-litre and 5-year warranty for the 182-litre. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you for watching. Have a perfect bye.